How to create PayPal account. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's actually quite simple. Here, I want you to go ahead and type paypal.com, and it says here PH home because I'm from the Philippines. And yep, basically just hit the sign up button here and then choose personal account. So if you are going to use this mostly for personal reasons, go ahead and choose the personal account. If it's for business, go ahead and choose this one. But again, there's going to be a lot more requirements that you're going to be needing. Now here, personal account, hit the next button right here and then enter your email. So I'm going to be using this email right here. Click the next button and then hit this one for security challenge, and then go ahead and type the number. So this is the number that I'm going to be using, and then hit the next button. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and enter my password just like so. Hit the next button right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and basically enter the name. Say for example this one. Let's go ahead and click the next button, and we have the additional information. So we have the national ID. Go ahead and type here from the Philippines because that's my nationality. ID type, national ID, and then I'm going to enter the number here. And there you go. So we have already entered the information. I'm going to tap next, and then from here, go ahead and just type here your location. You can add your address manually or basically ask from Google or assist Google. For example, if I'm going to type a location here, you can see that there are a lot of locations that has been added. So say for example this one, and there you go, that's the district. I can click this one. So this is for user agreement and privacy statement, and then down below is going to be for promo offers. In this case, I'm just going to skip this part and then hit agree and create account. And there you go. So what do you want to try first? You can definitely do this one later. So I'm going to hit not now. And then you have the option to link your card. So if your card is ready, go ahead and do this right now. Otherwise, go ahead and click not now here. And there you go. So we have now created our own PayPal account. And that, everybody, is how you are going to create a PayPal account.